Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our new playlist. Okay, this is completely a new playlist for K6 performance testing too. Okay, and the previous I have completed for Selenium with the TypeScript. Okay, and now K6 because some of the users is asking for this K6 performance testing. For that, I'm doing here. Okay, and here we'll learn about how we can able to use K6 and how we can able to do automated and UI and API, all the things we can learn in this particular playlist. Okay, and here is what is K6? Basically, a K6 is an open source load testing tool. Okay, it is a open source load testing tool. Okay, designed for testing for performance for API, microservices, and websites. It will do for three things. One is APIs, and another one is microservices. Okay, and websites. Means it will do for APIs and services and UI. Okay, both it will like three of them. It will do for that. Okay. It helps to developers and QA team to simulate the traffic and measurement how the system behave under the stress. Okay, these are the things we can able to do. And this particular K6 use the programming language as a JavaScript. Okay, this is basically a built from the JavaScript. We can able to use it. Okay, and it develop the friendly and easy to integrate with the CI/CD pipeline also. We can able to integrate easily CI/CD pipeline as well. Okay, this is what is K6 and why K6. If you see K6 is a popular right now. Okay, in the market, if you see this is also one of the popular performance tool and developer centric. Okay, developer centric is basically use the JavaScript for scripting, which is similar to many developers. They are using front end developer. Most of the people are using, right? For them, it is easy to that. Okay, and modern and lightweight. It is basically a modern and also lightweight. Okay, because it is using for Java and built with the performance in the mind. It can help you to high loads with the minimum resource uses. Okay, and here it is CI/CD pipeline. CI/CD pipeline also we can able to do for integrate easily. In integration for CI/CD pipeline, which is the tools like we have very most Jenkins and GitHub Actions. Okay, and also we can able to GitLab also. Okay, GitLab, and now we have for Azure DevOps also we can able to do, and it is open source one. Okay, it is a open source one. Okay, and it is a free of cost. There is no much. Okay, and you can able to get for all kind of cloud based features also. Cloud based some of the like via Grafana is there. Okay, Graph now cloud. Okay, this is basically a paid version. You can able to track for everything. Okay, each and everything you can able to track here. Okay, and some of the thing like a key features in this particular K6, if you say one is scriptable. Okay, by using for JavaScript. By using for JavaScript. Write a scenarios using for similar languages, make it is easy to customize and maintenance for that particular scripts. You can able to customize like a Jenkins JMeter and all like we can able to do for visualization like a simple setups and all here, but programming and easy to developers also they can able to easily uses. Okay, we can able to do high performance as well. Okay, high performance built in Go and K6 we can able to use. K6 can simulate the thousands of virtual users with the low overhead. Okay, and also we can able to do for uh, CLI based execution. Okay, CLI based execution also we can able to do. Command line interface. Okay, command line interface also we can run easily. Okay, run test directly from the command line and identify the automation and integrate with that. This particular command line I'm going to show you the first script, and then we can able to learn for recording feature also, and so many things is there we can able to run or we can learn on that coming sessions. Okay, built-in matrix also it is there. Okay, and also we it is going thresholds also. Okay, it monitor that response times, error ratings, and set the performance thresholds to automatically fail the test if criticals are not meet. Okay, if something critical set is there, if that is not meet, then automatically it will be make to fail also. Okay, modular architecture is there, and it suppose the extension of the plugins, advanced use cases also it will do. Okay, and also it is having for flexible. It is a flexible test types. Okay, you can able to use here. It supports the load testing, and then it will support for stress testing, and it will support for sticky testing. Okay, so on, so on, we have so many testings, and it will do all the kind of things. Okay, and also it will provide it for cloud and local. Both execution it will work. Okay, run the test locally or scaling them into the cloud using the Grafana cloud. Okay, and also it is supporting for reporting also. Reporting. Okay, for reporting it will support for JSON format. It will support for JSON format, and also it will support for HTML format. Okay, and if you want to integrate with any tools like InfluxDB is there, and Grafana is there. There are so many things it is there to integrate with this particular K6. Okay, this is all about for what is K6 and why K6, and key features in this particular K6. Okay, we will learn for the difference between some other already presented market, right? Or what are the things is presented. Those all the things we can learn into the next video, and then we can go ahead for setup for that K6. Okay, and then we'll see for the programming also. Okay, next couple of videos we can start our automation. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.